Today's topic is indefinite integral. So 2 marks important questions for the board exam. So from that, first question is integral 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2x. So we know that 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. So in denominator, integral 1 by 2 sin square x plus cos square x by 2 sin square x into dx. Now integral half, constant I am taking outside, so half 1 by sin square x. 1 by sin square x is equal to cosecant square x into dx plus again here half integral cos square x by sin square x is equal to cot square x. Cot square x into dx, and we know that cot square x is equal to cosecant square x minus 1, and integral cosecant square x into dx is equal to minus cot x. So just substitute now, half into minus cot x plus half cot integral cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. So half minus cot x by 2 plus half integral cosecant square x into dx is equal to minus cot x. So minus cot x minus integral 1 into dx is x, so half into x. So minus 1 by 2 cot x by 2 minus cot x by 2, that is equal to minus cot x. So minus cot x minus x by 2 plus c is answer. Now second question, evaluate integral log x into dx. Integral log x into 1 into dx and multiply by 1. So f is equal to log x, g is equal to 1. F into g is equal to f integral g minus integral f dash into integral g into dx. So what is f? F is log x. Log x integral g means 1 into dx minus integral f is equal to log x, then f dash is equal to 1 by x. d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. This is nothing but f dash. So integral 1 by x into integral 1 into dx into dx. So log x into integral 1 into dx is equal to x minus integral 1 by x into again integral 1 into dx, that is equal to x into dx. So this numerator x and denominator x get cancelled. So x log x minus integral 1 into dx. So that is equal to x log x minus again integral 1 into dx is equal to x plus c. So this is the answer. Third, integral 1 by e to the power of x minus 1 into dx. In numerator, I am adding and subtracting e to the power of x plus 1 minus e to the power of x by e to the power of x minus 1 into dx. Integral e to the power of x by e to the power of x minus 1 plus integral 1 minus e to the power of x by e to the power of x minus 1 into dx. Now, integral e to the power of x by e to the power of x minus 1 into dx plus integral, here I am taking as common minus, so e to the power of x minus 1 by e to the power of x minus 1 into dx. Now plus into minus, minus. So integral e to the power of x by e to the power of x minus 1 minus integral e to the power of x minus 1 by x minus e power x minus 1 into dx. These two get cancelled. So e to the power of x minus 1 by e to the power of x minus 1 into dx is get cancelled. Now integral e to the power of x by e to the power of x minus 1 into dx minus integral 1 into dx. Integral f dash of x by f of x into dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. And one more formula, integral 1 into dx is equal to x. So from these two formulas we can write here, this is f dash of x by f of x. That means suppose f of integral log e to the power of x minus 1 minus x, and x is equal to log e to the power of x plus c. So log e to the power of x minus 1 minus log e to the power of x minus x plus c. And we know log m minus log n is equal to log m by n. So log m minus log n is equal to log m by n. So finally log e to the power of x minus 1 by e to the power of x plus c is the answer. Now fourth question, evaluate integral dx by under root of x square 2x plus 10. Integral dx by under root x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 9, just splitting 10, 1 plus 9. Now this is looking like a plus b whole square form. So integral dx by under root x plus 1 whole square. Just expand this x square plus 1 square is nothing but 1, and 2ab means 2 into x is 2x plus 3 square, 9 we can write 3 square. Now integral dx by under root a square plus x square is equal to sin h inverse x by a plus c. So integral sin h inverse x plus 1 by 3 plus c is answer.